Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá. Bí a kò bá lè gbé lápapọ̀, ṣe bó yẹ ká lè dá dúró. Ká jáwọ́ nú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ká tètè gbómi lákàná. Iléyá o, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá.
They give money to local government. We watch them in Yoruba land, right? The governors. When they give them money, not just Yoruba land, everywhere. That's what I'm talking about. That they go to the Abuja, the governors. They collect their own money. They collect money for their state. Now, I mean, for their local government. So the numbers of local government they have, right, is how much money they get. Now, if a local government, like my own local government in Ogun State right now, Odogbolu local government, you won't believe it. The Odogbolu local government collects at least over 350 million naira every month from Abuja. The same way the Apakwe, the collect and share. Odogbolu local government collects at least between 300 and 400 million naira every month, right? When I was in Nigeria, well, that's a long time ago, okay? Odogbolu local government used to pay the annual salary, the monthly salary for their staffs, right? They used to pay around 35 to 40 million naira. That was the salary of the entire local government staff. So when Gbenga Daniel was there as governor of Ogun State, he collaborated. That's what happened. He collaborated with the state assembly. So they put a law together. They called it the local government and state joint account. So they now told the local governments that because the money coming from Abuja is not much, so all of the 20 local governments in Ogun State, all your money will go into this account, including our own money, the state money. So that money can be big, so that we can then prioritize projects in your local government areas. Okay? So if you want to have any project, all your money will come to me. Then we will then do all the project together as a team. So that was how he deceived them. They agreed. So the first month, when the money will come from Abuja, the money entered their account. But you see, the local government money entered their account, the joint account. The state money went straight to the state account, where Gbenga Daniel controls, right? Now, he now ordered the local government areas that all of you all have to support Gateway Front Foundation. That's how they do all the proxy stealing, okay? But listen. So after setting up and legislating and passing a law to open a joint account with local government, now when the money started coming in, they now told all the 20 local government areas that, listen, you have to donate 50 million naira from your allocation to Gateway Front Foundation, which was owned by his wife, Yeye Funke Daniel. You must contribute 50 million naira from your local government. So Yeye Funke Daniel, being the wife of the governor, will collect 50 million naira from each local government every month to support our foundation, Gateway Front Foundation, where they are sharing wheelchair, they are doing eye tests, they are giving people injection, they are giving people, you know what I mean? Something that if the 50 million naira, if they told the local government area that we want you to be investing 50 million naira in a primary health care in your local government, don't give it to any foundation. 50 million naira will provide all those facilities, medical care for the people of Odogbolu local government, but they have to give the money to the wife of Gbenga. How much is 50 million by 20 again? Is that not 1 billion naira? 1 billion, Abi. So Gbenga Daniel's wife was making 1 billion naira every month as far back as 2003. Think back, 1 billion every month, and Gbenga spent 8 years in power. They shared wheelchair, they shared eyeglasses, contact lenses, they shared book, they shared so many. But you know what? The jamboree, the stage, the musical stage, the ashwebi that they always kind of all put on to go and do that sharing of wheelchair and all of that, the The expenses on that is far more than the which year they were sharing. And immediately Benga Daniel government ended. Gateway Front Foundation died. So they opened that door to loot local government money. Another thing Benga did, I am using my own state because I have evidence of all of this. And you can tell that with what I'm telling you right now, you can't, this is not a make-up story. The individuals involved, they are alive. And you can go back there and talk to people on the streets, what I just told you now. Now, it is a system that allowed them, that's what I'm going to. And we did not put that system in place because those guys are not representing us. After stealing and limiting us, they now gave room to looters, criminals, who are ready to, as long as they continue to say they are governors of one Nigeria, they can do whatever they like. After collecting 50 million from every local government for Gateway Front Foundation, Benga also ordered all the local governments that, listen, don't think because we have so much money in this account. What I'm going to say is that any contract that is more than 20 million, you have to bring it to Abeokuta. So that then turned the local government chairman that time to road graders, building painters, signboard designers. Are you following? So Benga was the only one who would then come and do. So Benga now started, here's another one. Benga now started what is called OGROMA, Ogun State Road Maintenance Agency. Very, very good idea, Abi. Lovely idea. But it was a conduit pipe too. So OGROMA, the local OGROMA will now become, OGROMA will now became the contractor, official contractor for the local government areas. So that now OGROMA started constructing every road for, a kilometer of road for just 30 million. So if they come to your local government and you have 15 kilometers of road, now 100 and, what am I talking? 30 million times 10. That's 450 million naira. Now if you say, now like 2 months allocation, you go take pay for 14-kilometer road. So Benga himself now face the big engine, the bigger companies, Julius Baja, all this for his own Jamboree roads, where he was constructing a single kilometer of road for 300 million naira. Okay, that may shock you. Well, don't worry. The person that came after him, Ibikunle Amosun, is a senator now. He sustained the arrangement. He continued. He didn't open any foundation for his wife, but he continued to deduct local government allocation. So if they receive 300 million, 400 million, Amosun will call all of them, give them 100 million. They started collecting uniform allowance. Meanwhile, they don't receive uniform allowance or allocation from Abuja. You know who Amosun now put in charge of local government? His own brother. They call him Alhaji Agba. That one then became overnight billionaire. Those who know the story, they are in Ogun State watching me right now. So when Amosun now came, Baba, that one changed the whole story. 7 kilometers of road, 14 billion. 12.5 billion for 7 kilometers of road. Benga Daniel was constructing a kilometer of road for 300 million per kilometer. Amosun, they construct a home for 1.2 billion, 1.3 billion per kilometer. Last, Ogun State is not different from a place where they just came out of war. Go to Ogun State. I know many of you love to go to Abeokuta. No, don't go to Abeokuta. In my own local government area alone, Odogbolu local government area, we have 52 towns and villages under Odogbolu local government areas alone. The entire Ogun State has over 230-something wards. And you see every ward is like a town. And not just town, right? It's also pretty much like as other communities under them. Villages, small communities. Oh boy, go there. You go weep and say, oh boy, 20 years after democracy. But the same people will rig election for Amosun 2023. They will carry gun for him. And that's why I said, because they believe in one Nigeria. You can't help them. You can't save them. But the only thing you can do is to continue to tell them that once this blows over, there's a place to come back to. Your sanity. Because even if you don't think this is redeemable, I do. Because even if you are living in that chain, if you are living in that contraption and the rest of that, you can still come out of it. Coming out of it means you have to psychologically come out of it. You have every right to call their bluff, stop believing in them, start listening to yourself, because you can't be doing the same thing again and again and expect a different result and still tell me that you are not a madman. Of course, you'll be a madman.
Ekason, good afternoon, my people. God bless you, every one of you. So I received a message after the last video I made it. So this message that I received, this man write me this message and say, "You are so naive. Nobody will listen to you. If you disrespect us, we will shut you down." So this is the message that this man has sent it to me. Because I say, all the people that they have business in Germany to Nigeria, and you don't do nothing for your country and for your people, God will punish all of you. Now he say that I doesn't give them respect, so they will not listen to me. If you don't want to listen to me, so why you are listening to me, sir? If you think that I don't give you respect, why you come and listen to me? Because you know that I'm talking the truth, and you know that you have the power, you have the money, but you are not doing nothing for your people and for your country, sir. You live in Germany, and I have your picture, I have everything of you, and you tell me now that I doesn't respect you. How I can respect you, sir? You have business, you have money, you live in Germany, you don't live in Nigeria, you have all the comfort, but what you are doing for your people at home? Tell me, you have money, you have everything. If you have power to shut me down, why you don't go to Nigeria and shut down all the criminals, all the cowards, all the foolish people that they do nothing for your country, sir? Why you cannot face me that you send me this kind of message? If you want to do something good, don't waste your time to send this kind of message to me, but go and wait and spend your time to do something good for your people and for your country. Did you hear me, sir? I know that you are listening to me. So if you have some problem, this is how your mentality is. If you are not good for us, if you are not talking what we want that you talk, we will shut you down. Sir, you are not in Nigeria, you are in Germany. Me and you, we are in Germany. So if you won't shut me down, come on my face and talk to me, sir. If you are a man, if you are not a coward, if you are not a fool, come and meet me here in Germany and explain to me what you are doing for your country and for your people. So in the time that you explain to me that, I will give you all the respect if I have to give you respect. But if you are a coward and a fool man, I will not give you respect, because you are killing our people, you are destroying our land, and you don't give future to anybody, and you don't want that your people have progress, you don't want that your people have a great future. You are just here to take your money, to collect your money, to do the wonderful life that you have in Germany, and you leave your people at home. What if tomorrow they decide to take all of you, Nigeria businessman, around Germany, around Europe, and they will come and say to you, go back to Nigeria, go and do something for your country, sir. Don't stay here and waste your time on me. Don't waste your time on me, but go and do something for your country, oh. Did you listen to me, oh? Go and do something for your people. Your people are dying every day. You are here on Facebook because you don't know what to do. You are here, you wasting your time on Facebook. Why you don't go back home, sir? Why you don't do something with your money at home, sir? If you can shut me down, why you don't go there and shut down all the criminal people that they are there, sir? That you are coming now to talk to me that I am nobody and just here to talk the truth. Now because you don't like what I'm talking about, then you come and say, we will shut you down. So who is we? I want to know we who. You are the one that you send me the message. So you are one person. Give me the name of the other people that they will shoot me down. Because I won't talk to them. I won't face them. And I won't tell them what they are doing for our people and for our country. Please give me the name, give me the number, give me the address, give me everything. I will go there and talk to them. Even if every day I need to travel, I will do it. But tell me, just one person in this Germany or in Europe that they are here to do business. Who are them? Nobody for me. Who are them? Foolish people. Who are them? Cowards. Because our people in Nigeria, they are suffer. And you are here in Germany to enjoy your life. Now you come and tell me that you will shut me down. You are nobody for me, oh. If I am afraid to coming out, I will not coming out at all, oh. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of your friends. Because if you are a person that you have responsibility on your life, you will not talk it like this. If you have value in your life, you will not talk like that. Do you understand me? So, you know what? Okay, let us see the foolish man. No, my brother. You know why I don't show him? Because me, I'm not coward. I'm not a foolish woman. Because before I show you the picture, I won't talk with this man. Before I show you the picture, I won't see the kind of man that is this. Don't worry, my brother. We, Yoruba, we know how to deal with our things. We are not cowards. So don't worry. Let me do it this on my own. Don't worry. When I finish what I want to do, then I will let you know. I will show you everything. But before that I do something like that, let me talk with these people. Let them come to my face and talk to me. And tell me what they are doing for Yoruba land, for Biafra land, and for our people to have a better future. Because it's very easy to come in this Facebook and talk. It's very easy to come in on this Facebook and say, you are talking too much. You are doing this. You are doing that. What you are doing? You are sitting on the sofa of your home and you are enjoying your life and you don't care about what's going on in Nigeria. And now if somebody come out that speak the truth, now you come and say, we will shut you down. Who are you, I beg? Who are you? You will shut me down now. If you have that power to do. My brother, my sister, all these people, they have just the mouth. They don't know nothing. They don't do nothing. They just talk too much. Go and do something for your people and for your country. Stop to come here and say all this nonsense. We are people. We are normal people. If I was rich like you are rich, my brother, I will not stay here, sit down in Germany. I will go to Yoruba land. It's because I don't have the power that you have. I cannot do that. Because right now, if you go there, I will have serious problem. Because I stand for Yoruba nation. I stand for Sunday Gon. I stand for the people, the warriors of Yoruba land. For this, I cannot go right now at home. Do you understand me? because God choose people. So no problem, no wahala, don't shake it. Me, I am the one that God know my heart, God know everything. So if you think that because you are in Germany, so now you have power, you are wrong, go. You are very wrong. You can have power in Nigeria. Here in Germany. So don't worry, my brother, my sister. Of course. See, are you a brother or a sister? Sorry, I cannot see the picture. And anyway, don't worry. Report him to the authorities that he is treating your life, sis. My sister, they don't see nothing. These people, you know why I call them foolish? You know why they call it foolish? Because the picture is there. The address is there. The country is there. In Germany, they are foolish. You come and write me. If you are intelligent, if you are smart like you say, you will write with another name, you don't put picture, you know. But because these people, they don't think. For this, everything is scatter in Nigeria. Because they think they are smart, they are foolish. Do you understand? So me, he just sent me one message. I want to tell you something, sir, if you are there. I want to tell you something. Come and face me. Even if you won't call me, call me. I will pick the call. I will talk to you. And you have to tell me what you are doing for your country. Because if you think you see me white, you see this one, I will tell us this thing, so she will keep quiet. I'm not a Nigerian woman that you can come and tell keep quiet. I am white woman. Did you see my color? So when you come now, come and talk to me. I know the law of Germany. I know everything. So my people, all this one is just one, but all the people around Europe, I pray that my God Almighty will come and visit all of you to do His justice on your life. Because this one that you contact me, I don't say nothing to you, sir. What I say is just this, that my God Almighty come and visit you. Come and visit all the people like you. Because enough is enough. Now you call, you say you won't shut me down. When you shut me down, let me see your power. Let me see what you can do. Because I want to tell you something. Or you want, or you don't want, Yoruba nation has come to stay. Or you want, or you don't want, Biafra nation has come to stay. They cannot stop us. You can try whatever you want. Even you can spend all the money that you want. You can contact all the people that you want. They have power. You say that they have power. They don't have power for nothing. They don't have power for nothing. My brother, my sister, what we are here for, me and all my brother, my sister, we are here to stand for our Yoruba nation. We are here and we will remain forever until they will give us our Yoruba nation and Biafra nation. We doesn't have, you think we are afraid? We are not afraid. You see, you can say whatever you want because our people, they are tired. Our people, they cannot anymore stay there and be killed, anymore stay there and suffer for all these coward people, for all these foolish people that they say, hey, we say that Buhari must go. Why Buhari is still there? Why Buhari is still president? You say why you call Buhari every time? Because you know what? The president of country, they have to stand for the country like a father, like husband, like a brother. They have to stand with value. They have to stand with love. But President Buhari, which kind of love he have for our people and our country? I don't understand. I don't understand really. Because if you want a president, that president have to love his people and his country. Look, Ghana president. Hey, that man. In fact, God bless him for me. Oh. That man is doing what is good for his country. He stands for his country and for his people. He has taken back what belonged to the people. What Buhari has done for Nigeria. So they are talking about Twitter. Now people, they are fight for Twitter. Oh, they are removed. They are bad Twitter. People, they are fighting. They are fighting for Twitter. So if they shut down Facebook, do you want to make a war? Are you alright with your mind? Just for Twitter, you are coming out. Why you don't coming out for your brothers and sisters? Why you don't coming out for your Yoruba land or Biafra land? Why you don't coming out for human rights, for independence? Why? Why you don't coming out to have our freedom? You are coming out for Twitter. Eh? Are you normal? Are you alright? People coming out, they are fighting up and down. They are fighting up and down for Twitter. Hey, my people, this world is finished. Oh. Is people, they are fighting for no sense. For no sense. What we have, every day I receive news from Italy. From Italy. They say Nigeria, the only problem that Nigeria have right now is Twitter. Hey, God forbid. Only Twitter is the problem. My brother, my sister, why they don't give the right news? Why they don't give the right news? How many brothers and sisters they die on Mediterranean Sea? How many of them and nobody talk about it? How many our brothers and sisters they are dying in Yoruba land, Biafra land, and nobody will talk? And nobody will talk. So now that we are talking the truth, now that we can give to the world what's going on in Nigeria, now somebody writes to me and he said that if you are disrespectful, we will shut you down. My brother and sister, I am disrespectful. You need to thank God that I use only fool and cowards. You need to thank God that I don't name you in other ways. I'm just stopping fool and cowards. That the one that I use it. Now you come and say you want to shut me down. My brother, my sister, it's time for us to fight for our freedom. It's time to us to fight for our human rights and for our independence. Because we cannot be slave anymore of these people. We need freedom of these oppressors because they are oppressors. They put fear on people because they don't want that people talk. It's finished. It's finished. Because even the Spirit of God is wake up on Yoruba land and Biafra land. Enough is enough, my brother, my sister. Me, I come in now today, not because I'm afraid of this man, no. Because even I don't know him. I'm not afraid at all. But because I won't show you, all of you, that these are Nigeria people. Nigeria people, they resolve problem to this. Like this. If you talk the truth, if you talk what they don't like it, they come and shut you down. This is what they want. This is the mentality of Nigeria. We need to wake up and we need to divide ourselves to Nigeria. Nigeria is a scum. Nigeria is a country of cow. Nigeria is not for us. We need to go back to our origin. Yoruba and Biafra. Enough is enough. All these people that you are talking rubbish, don't worry. All of you that you come, that you think that you have power because they think that they have power. You doesn't have power at all. The power now is for us. The power now is for our people. The power belongs to our people. What we decide now is what we have to do in our Yoruba nation. He's not anymore politician. He's not anymore nobody. The power belongs to the people. What you decide, people, you have to do it in your Yoruba nation. Nobody have to decide anymore for us. No Europe, no British, no America, nobody. If you, Yoruba, want your Yoruba nation, Yoruba decide for Yoruba nation. If you, Biafra, want Biafra nation, only Biafrans decide for Biafra nation. Enough is enough. Africa belongs to Africans. Remember this. Africa belongs to Africans. We are not anymore in the time of slavery. We are not anymore in the time that we need to keep quiet because white people, they will take control. No. Africa belongs to Africa. I will repeat it again. So if you decide something today, African people, if you decide for Africa, like this have to be. Like this have to be. We don't need to wait for nobody. For nobody. Of course, British work for Fulani government in Nigeria. God bless you. God bless you, sir. This is the reality. For this, they don't want that we divide Nigeria because the hand of British people are there. But we don't care about British. We are Yoruba. We don't care about British. There is our brothers and sisters in Biafra land. They will decide. We will decide on our own. So, our people, they know how to do things. Yoruba. So, no problem at all. I come out today because when I read this message, I start to laugh. I start to laugh. And I say, in this message, is the mentality of Nigeria people, corrupt people. This is your mentality. Because you are a scam. Nigeria is a scam. And people that work for Nigeria government, you are scammer. For this, you are the face. You doesn't have dignity. You come to people to say something like that. My brother, my sister, me, I don't care about this. But this is the reality that Nigeria is facing. This is the reality that we have in our middle. This is the people that they come and say to you, I am a businessman. I have this in Nigeria. I have this in Nigeria. But you are foolish because you doesn't have brain. No. Because you don't defend your people. You don't fight for your people. And you don't fight for your country and for your land. This one is the problem of this person. You just because you have money, you think that you are almighty. Just because you have money, you think that you cannot die. Just because you have money, you think that you are right in what you are doing. Hey, my brother, my sister, this is too much. This is too much. Now is the time we need to divide Nigeria. We need to divide ourselves from Nigeria because it's too much. It's too much. I don't care about whatever they want to do in political things. I don't know what they want to do. But now it's time to have a revolution. I'm calling revolution. Now it's time to us to take back what belongs to us. Enough is enough. What we want is Yoruba and Biafra nation. That's all. Whatever we want is that. There is no more time to talk. Now it's time to act. Now it's time to do. There is no more time. We need to wait this. We cannot wait. Our people are dying. Our land is destroyed. We cannot wait nothing anymore. But what I want to tell you something is this. In Nigeria, there is no system. In Nigeria, there is not government that work. So, if you decide today to have your Yoruba nation and your Biafra nation, you will have it. Because nobody can say to you no. Because there is no system in Nigeria. What we want is freedom. What we want is peace. What we want is a better future to everybody. This is what we want. If one day I will show you where I live, I will show to you how people they walk on the street. I will show to you everything to let you understand that Nigeria is a country that has failed in everything. I failed in everything. And don't let nobody oppress you. Even if they say that they won't kill you. My brother, my sister, this our soul never will die. Our body can die, but our soul will never die. You know, even we are not eternal in this life. There is the time for everybody we have to go. But we need to go with dignity. We need to go that we has done something good in this earth. That we has done something for our people, for our land. We need to die with dignity. We need to die not like cowards or like foolish people. We need to die with dignity. And if God is in control, if it's not your time, you will not die. Even if somebody tried to kill you, you will not die. Because God is the one that decides for us. My brother, my sister, God continue to protect you, to bless you. And very soon, I hope to come in our Yoruba land with independence, with freedom, and with our human rights. And to build a better future to our children and to everybody in our Yoruba land. God bless you. Oluwabukun Odabo.